This is the right way to grow microgreens in just 4 days. Hi Baghsheen family, this is a quick tutorial on how to grow microgreens at home using our own Baghsheen's Microgreen Kit. So let's get started. First of all, what's inside the kit? Our kit includes a tray with a water drainage system to prevent damping issue, a growing medium to provide the perfect environment for microgreens, as well as high quality seeds for optimal growth, a plant marker to label your greens, and we have not forgotten about the tools for easy setup. And in the end, we have provided a spray bottle for gentle watering. Now let's get started with the step-by-step guide to growing microgreens. The first step is preparing the growing medium. Take the growing medium out of the sealed packet and place it in the tray carefully, as this will be the base for growing microgreens. You can store the excess medium for future batches with the tray into a safe space. Then later you'll have to put in the water until the half a size of the tray. Right now the growing medium may look small at the first, but it will expand. You have to just give it some time. Using the tools, break down the growing medium to ensure an even texture. You may add even more water if required, and continue to break down. Once expanded, level it out. Make sure it only fills half the tray's height, and remaining you can keep aside. This leaves the room for the sprouts to grow. Make sure you have an even texture with the help of the tools, as microgreen seeds are very delicate at the time of germination. The next step is sow the seeds. Cut open the seed packet, as each packet is perfectly measured for one single tray. Then evenly spread the seeds across the tray. Make sure you leave no single space empty, as this needs to be evenly covered. Doing this in a right manner makes sure that your microgreen grows evenly and into a healthy batch. Once it's done, you can dispose of the seed packet and later move on to moisture those seeds. Use the spray bottle provided to spray evenly on the seeds which you have just poured on the tray, as moisture is quite important for them during germination. After this, we can move to the next part, that is label and germinate. Place the plant marker in the tray to keep the track of your microgreens. Then later set this aside in a dark place for 2 days. Don't need to cover it, as that may affect the germination. After 2 days, you will see these sprouts emerging beautifully. Once sprouted, move the tray to a bright area for the leaves to turn green. These leaves us with the last step, that is grow and care. So water daily using the spray bottle we provided, and avoid direct pouring, as it can cause damping issues and slow growth of the microgreen. And that's it. Your microgreens are now growing beautifully. Stay tuned for the next part, where we'll show you how to harvest and use fresh microgreens. So thank you so much. Happy growing, and #GrowWithBaghsheen.